If this doesn't impress Cass, nothing will. I must go see him right away. I must go see him right away. Right this instant. Cass, I'm coming for you. Oh my god. $16,181 raised, and I just went to get a drink because I just realized I've got the greatest outfit of all time. Oh my god. Link, why are you getting into character? You make a quite good-looking gal. Oh my god. So wait a minute, is this how I get into Gerudo Town? This is not what I was supposed to do here. If you're free to grab something to eat sometime, keep me in mind.